Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video is all about these curls and how I got them and what I did to get them. You always see me in fashion videos with straight hair, mostly because I'm too lazy to do this. My hair is too long, it takes a long time, but I thought I'd just kind of try it out and why not film it while I'm doing it, because I'm just sitting at home doing absolutely nothing. Yeah, so if you want to see these, how I got this, do stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do put videos up every Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. Follow me on all social media at Canby Rehal. Like and comment down below. Let me know what you want to see next. Share this video and my channel. And positive vibes to all of you guys out there, and let's just get right into this video. Okay guys, so we are gonna get started on this hair tutorial. I don't normally curl my hair that often, but I do when I don't know, when I have a little bit of extra time. So it does take me It does take me a little while to curl my hair sometimes, so that's why I usually like to do it in front of the TV or something. I've got really long hair. It is like more of a triangle at the bottom, so sometimes it's just easier for me to just straighten it. But I do like the curls, and I was trying to get a little bit better at it, but now I've completely stopped. So yeah, it's washed hair, so I did wash it today. And don't mind me, my setup is really ghetto right now. I am on my bed and I have all these tools, and cross my fingers that I don't burn myself. But I have it here because the lighting in the bathroom is really bad and I don't want to do it there. And my TV is like right there, so as I am doing this, I can watch some TV. Yeah, so okay, so the things I am using. So my hair is washed. I washed it today in the morning and then I blow dried it. So this is what my hair looks like. And sitting down, I'm telling you, it is super duper long. It goes up lower than like my hips. And I blow dried it. I use the T3 blow dryer, and before I blow dried it, I actually let it air dry for a little bit, so there wasn't very much blow drying needed. Before I started blow drying it, I did use the BB Hairdresser's Invisible Oil primer. This one is a heat UV protector, so that I used that guy. And then I love my wet brush. That's the one I usually use to comb my hair through. And then this is my blow dryer that I used. I always keep it in the box just because like I don't want it to break. And the curler I'm going to be using is my Numi, and it is this guy. This guy's like super duper old. It is at least like, I don't know, 7 years old. It is the detachable one, so I have 3 wands. This one is the middle one. I believe this is 1 inch, I think. So I have one that's even smaller than that and one that's really a lot bigger. So if I wanted to do my hair super fast, like just quick waves, I use the bigger one. But I just find that with my hair, it just does not last. The big curls don't. The next day, they're flat again. I don't know why. I don't like to put too much hairspray into my hair after it's done. I like to just leave it, mostly because my hair is so long that hairspray, like when I put it in the back here, it just tangles. And that is why I haven't gotten that Dyson, the Dyson Airwrap. I had someone in Sephora, actually they were doing like a demo of it, and they did my hair, and honestly by the next day, or even like not even the next day, like I'd say 3 hours into it, my hair was falling flat again. So maybe it's better for people with shorter hair. Normally, a lot of the times I just kind of quickly go right in, but I've got my straightener kind of waiting for me, heating up. I'm just gonna kind of, I don't really need to actually, but it is heating up, so I will. The reason I like to use that is just to kind of straighten any sort of flyaways that I have. So I will be using, it is a T3 straightener, which I've also had for a really long time. And I am just gonna, so I have like a mirror at the back that I'm staring at, but I've also got like a really ghetto mirror right in front of me. So yeah, because I am on my bed. So just to like, just quickly style it. And that that Bumble and Bumble invisible oil, it smells so good. I love it. And that's it. I am gonna plug this guy in. I've just have it automatically set on 180 degrees. It is this one here. It comes like in this box, and like I said, this is really old. They've changed it now. It used to only come with like a 3 set, and like I said, I keep all my stuff in the box just so it doesn't get damaged. And it came with the gloves, which I always use because I have burnt myself in the past. Anyways, so while that's warming up, I'll show you what I do. I like to comb it right through because it's so long, it does tend to tangle up. And this is obviously like, I'm not a pro at this because I don't do it that often and I can't do it that fast, so yeah. And then of course I've got my rubber bands if I need them, and then I also have just these clips right there, and a scrunchie if I need it, just in case. Oh, and then I've got a comb like this with like a pick at the back, just to kind of like each strand, just to kind of like comb it through if I need to. So like I said, nothing's in my hair, just this guy, and that's it. And I'm not going to be putting anything in it as I'm doing it, as I'm curling it. So what I like to do is I kind of take my thumbs and just take it all the way around back and just take this portion up. Now, because I've got so much hair, I like to do it by section. So every single time, every section that's curled already, I will go through and just kind of pin it back so it doesn't get mixed up with the parts that's not straightened. I find that if I don't do that, it just gets like super frizzy. So I am going to take this portion and I will use my scrunchie and just pull it up. And just pin it right here so it doesn't get stuck with the rest of the hair that I'm kind of doing. And then I have this much just at the bottom left, and I will comb that through. And just separate it from the back and bring each one on each side and comb it all through. Okay, and then just hopefully, yeah, so that warms up really fast. Now I'm going to put my glove on. Okay, so I start by separating it, and then I put my gloves on. Just kind of take it section. I'm going to keep looking down at the bottom because that's where my actual camera is. I mean my my actual mirror is. And just separate this into like two pretty much. And maybe put my glove on the correct hand. Okay, so now I'm going to take this guy and I'm going to actually put it under the hair. So I put this underneath and I start to curl it around. And I don't hold it for very long, probably like, I don't know, 5 seconds, 10 seconds or so. And then I just let go, let it fall into my hands, and I hold, just kind of tighten it like this. And then I let go of it. And you get something that looks like that. Can you even see what I'm doing? I hope so. Okay. And then the next one, I'm going to separate this into two as well. And again, I'm going to take it under and around and just hold it down like that for not very long. And then just let go. Because it's so hot and the strands are a little bit thinner, I don't need to hold it for in the curler very long. If my strand was a little bit thicker, then I would probably hold it down maybe not for that much longer. This is like maybe 5 seconds, 8 seconds that I'm holding it for, so maybe like 10 to 12 seconds longer, and then just let go. So this is what your hair should look like. Curls, bouncy curls like that. And then I like to take these clips and I take this whole thing, and instead of putting like a rubber band around it, I just take that and I just clip it from one side, and then I take the other clip and I just clip it to the other side. So now I'm going to take this guy down, all of this, and separate it just like that. And of course you want to comb it through again. Okay, and then one side I'm just gonna completely clip away from my face, and the other side I'm gonna use my this side of my comb and just kind of lift just the front portion of it, so it's just the back left. Just lift that up and just take it to the opposite side and pin it back at the top there, just like that. So now we've got a nice good amount right here that we're gonna start to curl. Just like that. And so same thing as the back. You're just going to use your fingers and separate it. You don't need the sections to be super duper thin, or else you're going to be sitting here forever. And then again, just take it under and around and just... And if you want, you can, I guess, go in like opposite directions, like under and then over and then under and then over. I mean, I can try that and I can see how it looks. Like I said, I don't do this often, so it's all new. And then just let go of it and then just hold it against the scalp a little bit. And again, you can pin this if you want it to be a little bit more curlier, but I don't really need it to be super curly. And then just let it go. And then just, and then see as you're throwing it to the back, that's a nice one. It doesn't get mixed with the other ones. And then I'm actually gonna use this clip and just clip it to the back so that doesn't get mixed with this portion that you are taking down now, and you are gonna comb it right through and then just down and against the scalp again. And yeah, and then we're gonna do the exact same thing on the opposite side. So what we're gonna do, if you don't have a spare clip, which I don't have with me, we can actually take this clip out from here and take this clip out as well. Take the one clip and just, I like to kind of push it back so it doesn't bother me while I'm doing this side now. And this is what your hair should look like right now, all curly. So I just kind of like go like this to let it, this side especially, because this side's already cooled down, but this side's still nice, so this side's still warm. And then I start to like just separate the curls by just taking my fingers through it. I don't brush it. I feel like the more you brush it, the frizzier it starts to get. So guys, this is what it ended up looking like. I just really, you want to keep separating it with your fingers just to keep getting the desired look that you want. And yeah, so when I usually use the bigger one, I kind of separate it so much that the curls kind of turn into more waves. So if you want it more of a curlier look, you want to go with that smaller wand. And yeah, so let me move a little closer. So like, can you even see? Like, this is what it looked like. I did end up using this guy. Just one pump of it, and I just kind of massaged it all into my hands, and then just gently took it through just because of the frizzes, just to add a little bit more, make it a little bit more smoother and softer. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm going to get a little bit closer. Yeah, and then just kind of style it however you want to. You can flip it to the side. I usually like to keep my hair separated in the center. It's just how I like it all the time. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the final result, and do subscribe to my channel. Share this video, share my channel. Do comment down below. Let me know what you would want to see next. Let me know if you want to see some makeup tutorials. I can definitely do that for you as well while we are all sitting at home. And like my video. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on all social media at CanBeRiHa. And positive vibes to all of you guys out there.